Hey everyone, welcome back to Statistics Made Easy. It's a pleasure to have you here for another Stata tutorial. In this video, we're going to explore the Stata user interface. Stata can be operated in two main ways, through the graphical user interface or via the command line. Let's take a closer look. When you're using the graphical user interface, you can navigate through various options by clicking on, for example, graphics or statistics, where you will find a range of options for statistical analyses and visualizations. Alternatively, if you prefer to work directly with commands, you can add your commands in the command line at the bottom. As you type, a history of the commands you have used will be shown on the left side. For example, in my case, clear all. No matter which method you choose, the output will be displayed in the large middle window here of this data screen. Now, once you've loaded a dataset, you'll see a list of all the variables in that dataset on the right side. But here is a pro tip for interacting with Stata. Use a do file. A do file is essentially a script that contains all your code and annotations. You can create a new do file by clicking on the icon that looks like a sheet of paper with a small pencil on it. Once you've opened a new do file, you'll have a text file where you can keep track of all your commands and code annotations. And here's a handy trick. You can increase the font size of the do file by pressing Ctrl on your keyboard and using the scroll wheel on your mouse to enlarge or reduce the font. To save your do file, simply click on the floppy disk symbol in the menu bar and select Save As. And here we have it, a quick overview of the Stata user interface and a pro tip to boost your efficiencies. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.